Hey guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The AVL Investments and Solutions. Today we are going to discuss about the IPO of Latent View Analytics Limited. We will be discussing about the IPO details and the company details, like what are the qualitative factors of the company and what are the quantitative factors of the company and what is the expected return on listing and whether we can prefer this stock for long term or short term purposes. So let's start the video for the day. First of all, let's have a look at the IPO details. This IPO is going to open on 10th of November 2021 and going to close on 12th of November 2021, and its allotment will be finalized by 16th of November 2021 and it will be listed on the exchanges on 22nd of November 2021. Its one lot consists of 76 shares, for which we require minimum amount of rupees 14,972 and its shares face value is rupees 1 only, but it is available to us at the price band of rupees 190 to 197 only, and this issue size is of 600 crores. Now let's have a look at the company's details. This company was incorporated in the year 2006 and it provides analytics services such as data consulting, business analytics, advanced predictive analytics, data engineering and digital solutions. The company provides services to blue chip companies in technology, BFSI, CPG and other industrials. The company is operating not only in India but also in US and Asia through its subsidiaries. Its major clients are Adobe, Uber Technology and 7-Eleven. Now let's have a look at its competitive strengths. This company is one of the leading pure play data analytics company in India and is having blue chip clients across industries and various geographies. This company is focused on innovation and research and development and also have a scalable and attractive financial profile. As we can see here, its revenues are increasing from time to time, so as its profits, and also its assets and return on investment is increasing year on year basis. But then the thing comes to our mind, why the company is raising funds? So the answer to this is the company is raising funds to fund its growth initiatives and to cope up with the working capital requirements and also to invest in its subsidiaries to augment their capital base for future growth and also for the dilution of some stake by the promoters. Now let's have a look at the competitors of the company. So its peers are Mindtree, Tiger Analytics, Deloitte, Axiom, Mu Sigma, Analytic Partners, etc. So after considering the valuation of the industry as well as the company, we can say that this IPO's price is undervalued and we can get heavy profits in this stock if we apply for this IPO. So hereby I state that we can apply this stock either for listing gains or for short term purposes as well as long term purposes. On this IPO, I am expecting more than 90% return on listing and more in short term as well. And yes, this stock also seems good if you want to hold it for long term purposes. I hope you all will find this video useful and informative. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates on time. And if you want to open your Demat account, then a link is given in the description box. And for more information, you can check the description box. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.